This isn't just a wine, but a glass full of history. It is 1761 when Borgogno becomes a winery. 100 years later, Italy becomes a country in 1861, and Barolo Borgogno is served as a celebrating wine for this incredible event. Borgogno belongs to the history of Barolo. Cesare Borgogno in 1920 decides to put away 50% of that production to sell the wine 20 years later. Innovation. In 1972, there's an auction in Torino where Barolo Borgogno is actually sold for 530,000 liras, which is the equivalent of thousands of euros today. These wines are collectible items. I've been cracking open so many of these bottles of the 30s, the 40s, 50s and 60s, and they're so alive and kicking, so delicious. 2008 is when Oscar Farinetti then purchased the winery. You know, the guy that invented Italy? And he's been very, very respectful of old school tradition in winemaking. Big oak Slavonian barrels, 3 years of aging, like this Barolo Liste, one of the historical crus, single vineyard of Borgogno. This wine comes from the 2016 vintage, which has been a perfect vintage. With the classic tar roses, lots of actually rose petals in this wine, but also like a burnt orange peel and beautiful blueberries. On the palate, this wine has got so much structure and yet juicy acidity like a red berry crush. This is a wine with lots of licorice, balsamic elements, a little bit of mint that is going to go on forever and ever and ever. Man, it's so delicious. Hello? Anyone out there? I know you guys are out there, and I know that you all want some more tricks and more tips. And of course, who doesn't want more love? And for that, subscribe our channel, follow our social media, and drink more vino. Make sure there is good vino.